So I talked about raw data, right? An information system database, right? Its first job is to store raw data. But what's the second thing? So not only does a database store raw data, so it also stores the metadata, right? So what is metadata? Metadata describes the data, right? So if I just have a collection of raw facts, right? I just have a whole bunch of stuff in my database. I don't really know what that stuff is, right? So metadata describes what it is for me. It tells me, what does this column mean? What does this collection of things mean, right? So it describes the data itself. That's one of the cool things about a modern database. This was actually kind of one of the groundbreaking things about DBMSs, is that not only does it store the data, but it also is self-describing, right? So any good database is self-describing. And then the third thing that we talk about that databases do is they enforce consistency. So you got the raw data, the raw facts. There's metadata that describes it, and you can't just do whatever you want with those raw facts. They have to be stored in a structured way that's consistent, that the database enforces. So you create those rules that enforce that. And having these three things is what really gives us a powerful platform for providing information later, right? And that's the end goal in all this. Something that we always want to be thinking about in database design is, what's the information we're trying to derive from this system later, and how can we make sure we're designing this in a structured way. Now, in this part of the course, in the textbook, it also talks about all the different types of databases. And when you read through those different types, single user, multi-user, and all the way down to XML and ad hoc and so forth, these three elements will exist in all of those, right? So whichever one you find an example of, and you go and research a little bit about that if you want to learn more about that, you will see these elements in all of those, right? Even when people talk about things like NoSQL, right? That's kind of all the rage right now. Even NoSQL is raw data that is self-describing and has consistency, right? It may be a different mechanism that we use in relational databases, but those three elements are there. So we always have these in any data management system.